Hello, today I want to teach you a quick and easy way on how to make beveled gears. So here's an example of what we're going to do, and I will show you how to do this. So first of all, let's go up here to this drop down right here, pull this down all the way. We're going to go to add custom features, and we're going to type in bevel gears 4KS. Not all of these are created equal. This one seems to be pretty good. So this is the one I want. So I'm going to click on it. It's going to say it was removed because I already had it, but I want to add it. So I click it again, and now I should say add it to my toolbar. Okay. So now I can close this and I can delete this beveled gear right here. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go pull down all the way to the bottom. That's the new one I just put. Now we can put in our number of teeth. So we want like an 8 by, let's say, 24, and it's automatically populating. And then we want like module sized. So if you change this, it will change and make the modules bigger or smaller, and sometimes it breaks it. So let's do 2. Let's see if it, yep, 2 works good. 2.5. All right, so that's how you play around, and then you can change the width here of your teeth. Let's see if this works. Yep, so that changes to 10. So, and that's how you make beveled gears. Thanks for watching. Bye.